Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to animate your selfies with Google Gemini app. If you want to turn your still photos into eye-catching animations, Gemini's AI tools can bring them to life. Go to the App Store and make sure the Gemini app is updated to the latest version, and then animation features only appear in new builds. After that, launch the Gemini app and then tap on the create image option. Now pick a clear selfie from your camera roll. Now once you choose your selfie, what you're gonna do is you can either you in the prompt box type something like animate the selfie with a wink, make my photo smile and wave, turn this into a moving cartoon portrait, which is a fun one. So let's do that. Turn this into a moving and send it. Gemini will generate a short animated clip from your selfie. Once your selfie is done, you can download to save the animation as a video or GIF, then post it on Instagram, Threads, or TikTok. Safety tip: only use your own selfies. Avoid uploading photos of others without their permission, since AI animation alters facial requires. Quick fix: if animation isn't available, check if Gemini AI tools inside the Google Photos Magic Editor / AI effects are active on your phone. Google is still rolling out this reason by reason, so subscribe for more quick fixes.